Githiururi kiria kirigiceirie kiuria kia ni mwahuriku uririgiriria na matamu ma wathani wa kiama kia Jubilee riu ni kiambiriirie kuyumiria wega mbere ya cirithania mugwanja igoti ria guthikiriria macira ma ciama cia kiuteti riria cira wigie ndugamano ino wambiriirie guthikiririo.
We have resolved to proceed with the hearing.
Kugerera wakiri wake mwandiki munene wa kiama giki JERMIAH Kioni ni oriti igoti riri guteaniria itua ria hau gabere riria riathanite Kioni ahagurwo. Kioni akiuga ati we ndaheirwo kanya ga gwitetera mbere ya itua riri rikinyanirio.
And the objective is very simple. The objective is that political parties must find meaning in the democratic setup of the democratic setup and governance of this republic.
Kioni ni atetirie mwandikithia wa ciama cia kiuteti hamwe na ng'etheri yake matongoretio ni mũmbunge wa IYUMIRIRIE Kanini KEGA akiuga mari na itanya ria kumweheria wabici-ini.
Of the National Management Committee and other party organs as required by the party constitution. It further notes that there was failure by the SG to send out notices convening NEC meetings in defiance of the relevant party organs. And then number 4, relevant to the SG, is failure as.
No MWENA wa Kanini ugite ati Kioni ni oririo ekinye mbere ya kamiti ya KIAMA niguo guthurimwo migendere yake no ndaigana gwikinyia na ati Kioni ni arugamitio ni KIAMA gukorwo ari mwandiki munene.
We have demonstrated how the acting Secretary General and the Deputy Secretary General proceeded to forward these minutes and the deliberations of the National Executive Council to the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, who in turn proceeded to update its register as per the law.
Guthikiririo gwa cira uyu gukite thiku nini tu thutha wa igoti riri kugiririria igeri ria Kanini kweheria Jubilee thiini wa Azimio na ningi mwaho uyu wa Kanini ni ugiririirio gutabania kigomano kinene kia memba KIAMA tariki 22 mweri ukite ta uria marabangite. Handu-ini ha KAMEME TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa WIGII.